Wow.
Never a boring day with us. Mum has picked up the wrong bag. Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. Thailand! Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers and this is our Thailand series.
We are currently in Islamabad airport, about to board the plane to Bangkok, Thailand. We're super excited to go back to Thailand. It's been, what, 10 months since we've been there?
We love it.
We're missing it. Really gutted to be leaving Pakistan. Absolutely loved it here. The hospitality is unbelievable. And every single subscriber write in the comments, hello. And I will say hello back, because we really miss you.
We have met the kindest people, and to be honest, this country has shocked us with how amazing it is.
Yeah.
And we're surprised why tourists don't come here.
It's underrated.
Don't leave us or unsubscribe, because we are planning to do a few more videos on Pakistan, like talking about it and our experience. And let us know down below what you'd like us to talk about.
And also along them lines, we will definitely 100%, maybe even next year, come for maybe 3 months in Pakistan and explore a lot of the north, because I know people said in the comments a lot to explore the north.
Through security and everything and checked in. We checked in Ben's bag, as you can see, because we get free luggage on here, so we thought we'd check one in, but mine's got the batteries and all that in. Trying to bump it off to him, but he won't take it.
What would I take it? I feel free.
But we got a taxi here from Accommodation. It took about 30 minutes and it was 1,700. I'm gonna definitely miss the prices out here. Thailand is not expensive, but it's not the cheapest country. The most exciting thing is we're meeting my mum out there, so I'm really looking forward to her experience and like just how good it is. She can't believe how dead it is. It's no one around, as you can see, and it's pretty quiet. We're trying not to like shout to the camera as we always do, but I think there's a coffee shop over here, so we're gonna get a coffee and we're gonna have a little look in the shop and get some snacks, because it is like 8:30 at night and we haven't eaten all day. We've not had the best stomachs in the last few days, so we're kind of like being careful.
Yeah, the problem is food included on our flight, and we're like taking the risk. Oh, do we wait for it? But then it might be breakfast, so we'll be waiting ages.
What does it matter if it's breakfast? It's food.
We might be waiting another 3 or 4 hours.
No, they do food straight away as soon as you got there. We got like a 5-hour flight. I'm actually quite shocked. I didn't realise we were still that far. But it's with Thai Airways, and we've never flown with them before, so I'm really looking forward to it. They're meant to be like really good. So we've got some bits from Bread & Co. What we got here, Ben?
Normally, I wouldn't go for food. I'd just go coffee, black, see you later. But
And you wouldn't go sweet either?
I wouldn't go sweet. I definitely wouldn't go sweet. Actually, you've got a good point there. Like, if I did go for food, I wouldn't go sweet. But these cakes, these muffins look really good. And to be honest, right, for an airport, they were really cheap. What were they, like 230?
Well, all this together, 2 drinks and 2 cupcakes was 1,500.
Look at that.
Oreo cupcake. And I got the jumbo muffin. I'm hoping that's not blueberries in it. I'm hoping it's chocolate, because otherwise I won't like it. And obviously a green tea and a black coffee. So this is really good though. There's like loads of seating area here, comfortable seats, loads of room. Like, you rarely find a good seat in the airport.
It's because there's no one anywhere.
Yeah, so we're going to sit here for hours. I'm going to whack my laptop out.
I've got to try this for the camera because it looks too good. Wow.
Why are you a child? Who eats it like that?
Excuse me.
How was it?
That like muffin, it's almost like a dark chocolate. Yeah, it's more like a fresh cream, like a not like an artificial sweetness. It's more like a bland sort of sweetness, but it's very fresh and very good.
We know Ben's not good at describing food, but this is my muffin. They've cut it up into 4 slices. Do they think I'm sharing it or something? It's got like white chocolate chips and milk chocolate chips. It's really nice. It's really soft as well. They've announced that we can now go to our gate A2, literally 1 second walk from where we were sat.
I reckon this flight's gonna be empty.
Well look, there's just barely no one here. And I think it's a big flight, but I'm ready to get on there. It is like 20 to 11, our flight's at 20 past 11, and I'm absolutely shattered already. I've been shattered all day. It's one of them days. I think when you lounge around waiting to go, you get tired. Don't look like many people here, does it? But I'm hoping we get food, drink sorted, and then I can for like 5 hours.
A few beers.
You're gonna have a beer?
It's been a month, isn't it?
Oh my god, Ben's actually not had a beer for a month. Can you believe it? I am actually like looking forward to having a drink in Thailand, maybe go out a little bit partying. We're actually flying into Bangkok, but then we are getting a flight to Phuket. So we're going to spend just under 2 weeks in Phuket.
Roll on the land of smiles.
We're just a little bit late boarding. We're like 15 minutes late. Well, we were meant to be on there at 20 past 11. It's now like 20 to 12, so a little bit late, but hopefully we get taken off quick because they're getting everyone on there really quick.
You know exactly what's going to happen?
What?
The captain's going to say, I'll make up the time in the air.
I don't think I've ever been in an airport where they've checked your boarding pass and passport so many times. Like literally. I think our boarding pass has been checked about 20 times. And there. Thank you. Okay, we're at the back 52B, but it looks like it's a full flight.
What your step, please? Okay, we have arrived in Bangkok, Thailand.
That was like a horrible flight. We had a lot of turbulence and I felt sick for most of it. Thai airline is really good. We had a meal on there straight away and there was beer, alcohol, fizzy drinks all included. And they even like said to Ben, do you want another beer? Like just come up to him.
Yeah, very good.
Not the best film selection. Quite limited. So we've only got like 2 hours between our next flight here in Bangkok. We're not staying here. We are flying off to Phuket today, but we will be coming back to Bangkok later on to film after we've enjoyed some time with my mum. I think her flight's gonna be here an hour and a half. So we just need to work out where baggage claim is and where to meet her really.
We'd like to thank today's sponsor, Overseas VPN. I promise this will only take 1 minute. With Overseas VPN, you can simultaneously log in to between 2 and 10 devices. Overseas VPN offers you maximum compatibility, be it Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android and Linux, as well as popular browsers like Firefox and Chrome. Overseas VPN is available on all popular platforms. All plans unlock BBC iPlayer, Disney+, Hulu and 7 major Netflix regions.
As we travel full-time, we use public Wi-Fi, like accommodations, coffee shops, and public transport. And that is why Overseas VPN is perfect for us. Right now with Overseas Black Friday sale, you can get a 5-year plan for just $60. That works out just $1 a month. Check out Overseas VPN, links in the description. Now back to the video. So normally we don't check in our bag, but it was free and included with our flight. So we thought we might as well, because my mum's bag's gonna be checked in. We've got to go there anyway. So it was one less thing to carry around. But we're gonna go and grab it now. Hopefully, we haven't lost it. One time we check it in would be the time, and his has got all the clothes in it, so it's not the worst thing in the world. Oh, I put the Thai baht in the top zip as well. Let's hope they're there.
Yeah, one of the bonuses of coming back to Thailand is 1, we've already got SIM cards. 2, we don't need a visa. And 3, like Reanne says, we've already got Thai baht, so we're pretty much sorted.
Easy peasy, we love it. Yay!
Reanne's mum is in passport queue, so 5 minutes and she will be here. Reanne's super excited.
We told her we were meeting her at arrivals, but we've kind of like stayed right here because we're not leaving the airport, didn't really think about it. So she's literally there, but we've literally got like an hour and a half to our next flight, so she best hurry up in there and don't get stopped. But I'm well excited to see my mum.
Literally. She's what?
She's over here now. Hello. Did you know we were here? No. Did you not see me a minute ago?
No. There.
Oh no, I've been watching you from the moment you got there.
Have you?
Yeah. We've got my mum now, but we've literally got a rush. We've got like an hour before our flight goes and we still need to check in mum's bag, so hopefully we're alright, but let's go and check in. Never a boring day with us. Mum has picked up the wrong bag. It's someone else's, exactly the same design as hers, but it's not mum's. So we're having to run back and hopefully we can swap it. I don't know if we can get back in. Can we go back through? We picked up the wrong bag.
Please get number for back-end service.
No, we've just come from there. This isn't our bag.
Got the wrong one. Please other information take care you.
Can't we just swap it? We've literally just come out.
No inside. Other information take care you.
Well, welcome to Mum joining us. Everything always goes wrong when she comes to meet us. So she grabbed the wrong bag. We had to go to customer service and sort it out. She went to go and check for her bag and it's gone. So either they've took Mum's bag and then Mum's took hers the other way around. But at the moment, Mum has no luggage and we've missed our flight.
The thing is, right, it's the most unique bag. The odds of the two people having the same bag is quite slim.
I know.
I think we're really unlucky, to be honest.
Yeah, so currently Mum's a bit gutted and just wants to go home. So we need to make it fun for her. It's her first time in Asia and it's a bummer for her. But we've got on a new flight. They just charge us $20 each to change our flight. We're in too bad, but I don't know what's going to happen, whether she'll get it, but normally it takes a few days. We've got 2 hours now to the next flight now. Let's go and get maybe a 7-Eleven or something, have a look around.
See what
and cheer
Bangkok
Mum up.
Airport's got to offer us.
Yes, 3 hours later, but we are finally boarding our flight to Phuket.
Finally, what a long day.
And we got like good seats, we've got emergency exit seats, so buzzing, but it should be only about an hour. Hopefully everything goes smoothly from now, all shattered. Whoop whoop! Ben's through. Here comes Bev, without a suitcase.
For Thai Virgin passengers, show your boarding pass at Phuket.
That's it, 2 flights down. We are here in our destination in Phuket. I think that was about an hour flight, very basic, low budget airline. Thai Jet, I think it's the first time flying with them. We're going to order a taxi to accommodation.
Just ordered the Grab. I haven't used Grab for a while, so I'm a bit rusty on it. I think he's going to pick us up outside this exit. It's 52 minutes to our accommodation, 764 baht.
We're staying in the Cafu area and it's quite far from the airport, but we've got ourselves a Grab. It's just easier. Normally we'd try and get a bus. We can't be doing that today. It's been a long day. We found our taxi. Oh, at the Grab bit. Makes sense. Grab pick up.
Yeah, good, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good.
Yes.
Very nice. Hi guys, sorry it's been a few days since we've vlogged. We have finally got my mum's suitcase back after 48 hours. It's here, we got it. Someone else went off with mum's suitcase, so the same kind of thing that we did, but they actually like left the airport with it and everything. Emirates, who we flew with, flew it over here and then got it delivered directly to our room, so it was super easy once it was solved, but there was a lot of miscommunication at the beginning. But this is our accommodation. We've booked for, I think, like 12 days. So we're paying $35 a night for 3 of us. Let's show you around. So we've got a kitchen, fridge, a little balcony area. That's our view. And then we got, there's my mum, our seating area, aircon, and then we got another seating area where Ben's lounging at with a TV that has no channels on it, but we don't watch TV. And then in here is our bedroom. AC in our room. We've got like a little walk-in wardrobe area. Sorry, I'm a bit messy, as if you know me and Ben. And then this is the best thing. So out here, we've got another balcony, and we've got a washing machine. If you're a full-time traveller, you know how handy this is. And then we've got our own bathroom, like shower, toilet, sink, and all that. If you go back out here, we've got another bathroom. So this is mum's kind of bathroom, we always share it kind of thing. So this is mum's room, single bed, makeup there, she's got her own wardrobe, and AC. And we've also got like towels and everything, so it's super good. And it's been nice staying here. And we've also got a pool, a gym, We're in Katu, about a 20-minute drive from either Patong Beach or Phuket. So we're in like the middle of everywhere. That's why we booked it. Obviously, you get cheap accommodation. But today, me and Mum are actually going out and getting a massage. My mum's never had one, so we've booked one and we're going to enjoy it and have like kind of a chilled, lazy day. 'Cause the last few days we've done like a bit of hiking, gone to the Big Buddha, seen some elephants, gone to some temples. But today is going to be a chill day. But other than that, I'm going to finish this here. We'll see you in a few days when we're back in Bangkok and we're going to show you the capital city of Thailand. Subscribe. Testing 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, you ready?
Ready, ready.
Okay. Got to be really loud, don't I?
Yeah, it's, well, whatever. It's be abrupt.
Okay.
Go.